Tonight, Monica is going to tell us how the surface structure could change the color of the beautiful butterflies and other animals. Let's welcome Monica.
Hi, I'm Monica, and today I'll be talking to you about some of my research that I've done over the summer regarding how small surface structures can affect the coloration seen on butterfly wings and even to produce colorful chocolate. So if you take a look at these 4 pictures, you can see the bird, butterfly, beetles, and peacock wings. They all have these beautiful colorations. So what I wanted to figure out was what caused these beautiful colorations in nature and how it can be mimicked to produce our own colors. So the research that I did was on 2 different butterflies. You can see on the top is the blue morpho butterfly. It has this iridescent nature, which means that at different angles there's a slightly different colored blue. And on its opposite side it looks completely different. It's a brown color with a lot of eye spots. And I also looked at another butterfly called the cabbage butterfly, which we see around this area very often. It's just a plain white color. So these are some SCM images that I took of the butterfly wings at micrometer scales. You can see that there's very organized structures, there's periodic structures, and these structures are what I found to be the cause of the colorations on these beautiful butterfly wings. Particularly on the blue butterfly, I found these at even smaller scale, at the nanometer scale, more smaller periodic structures and with periodic spacings. With the different spacings, there's constructed interference of light which causes the blue color that we see. So in this animation, I show basically just a quick diagram of what happens and how the light interacts with the small features seen on the butterfly wings. When light enters from a small angle, it reflects off, and to produce a wavelength of about 500 nanometers. And at another angle, at the maximum angle, it can produce up to 375 nanometers. So this is the range of colors that we see on the morpho butterfly wing. So knowing how the surface structures cause the colorations on the butterfly wings, I wanted to be able to mimic these small structures. So I used a DVD grating, which also has very small periodic structures seen on the surface, similar to that of a butterfly wing. And I used chocolate, something that something we see and eat all the time, which can be molded very easily. So basically all I did was I melted the chocolate and pressed the DVD grating into the surface so that when you took off the grating, the small surface features would be on the chocolate as well. And as you can see, I was successful in doing this. From on the right, you can see the colorful DVD, and on the left, you can see the rainbow color on the chocolate from the small surface features that were transferred onto the chocolate surface. And looking at an SEM image, you can see that the small surface features were successfully transferred onto the chocolate, thus producing this edible and colorful chocolate. Thank you.
Next is Monica Ting from High School.